So I hope you guys enjoy. So we have a sad elf, a happy elf, and a stupid elf. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, it's time to do the shortening.
And I'm the judge.
Whoa! Jolly elf over here.
Magic over here.
Alright, look. Ryder just broke it! How did you do that? How did you do that?
Disqualified.
No, we're not. Okay, guys, time to mix it together with this spatula. Ryder, okay, the men are taking over.
So now we're mixing this
Oh wait, I
shortening.
can help you. Dude, this is gonna take a long time. Okay, guys, I think ours is starting to look how it's supposed to. It's getting doughy and stuff. So
I think ours too. It looks nice and like spreadable. I think.
Don't ask me about mine. Okay, I think this is good. I think this is good, right? What do you guys think? Comment down below if you think this looks good.
It kind of feels like a smush.
You guys, time to do vanilla and eggs. I'm gonna do vanilla first. How many teaspoons? Let's see. 3.
Oh, he's back.
Oh! Oh, he's examining. Ryder do good. He's examining.
So watch hands. Okay. We're gonna
Be a
do
good
eggs
elf.
first.
Oh, I can't get it
Nadia's
open.
gonna crack the eggs.
Crack it into this because if the shell lands in it, you can just leak it out.
Okay.
I can't get this open. It literally says easy.
Perfect.
Not mine.
1 teaspoon vanilla.
Look at that. Nadia's getting fancy. Getting real fancy.
What?
See, I got the shell here. That may have been 2 teaspoons, but we're just gonna roll with it.
Look at this. You got the thumbs up of approval,
Yeah,
guys.
can I mix? You mix the other stuff. Okay, guys, gotta break up the yolk. I gotta mix it. Ryder laid it so flat down, it's like hard to like scoop back. No, it was only 1. Okay, so I have to carry this big thing of flour. Okay.
And we're doing 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar.
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 Half a teaspoon of salt. That's like perfect. Me and Ryder did it absolutely perfect, right on the line. So, like slide that over. Then this is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Oh! Jake poofed again. How does he keep doing that? It's crazy. Okay, Ryder, you're gonna stop mixing. Okay, me and Ryder have put in all of our ingredients and it's already looking like dough. It's looking so good. We have not. Okay, let's go.
And then we gotta do a half a teaspoon of
Okay,
this.
we gotta get our hands dirty now, Ryder. We gotta like build the dough. You ready?
It's one of the half teaspoons.
That's perfect. No, that's perfect. Oh my gosh. This feels so cool. Oh my gosh. I should add. Look at it, guys.
Right, Nadia?
It's literally dough.
All you?
That's what I was saying. Good job, baby. Oh my gosh. Well, how's it looking? How's it looking? How's the dough looking? I think better than the rest.
Looks like Play-Doh. Looks pretty good.
That's good. Okay. So
We're getting there, guys. It's 3 out of 10. Take
3 out of 10. Whoa. Whoa.
How's
You're not
ours?
saying ours looks good.
Very crumbly.
Yes.
We
4
have-
out of 10.
we haven't
Getting there to form you. Getting there to
So
form
why
you.
is this
And I
crumbly?
haven't even started kneading yet. We haven't kneaded yet.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
one at a time.
This is biased for cutting cookies. I'm gonna do a Christmas tree. Ryder did a Christmas tree. So we're gonna do another one.
Smother it.
It turned out a little. Oh,
I know, I ripped it.
If you'll smother it too much in flour, you're gonna
No.
get it crusty and dry. It is perfectly moist.
okay. It's a little ripped, but you know, it's unique.
Oh.
Oh, good job. How'd you do that?
I am cutting the cookie with a snowflake cookie cutter.
How'd you do that?
I am rolling the cookie dough with a roller.
A little baby ruler.
Oh, it's stuck. Oh wait, it's did it. Did I? Did I? Did I?